I ran up on you, what's wrong with you? I ain't even gonna lie, I can't fall for you. Alright, y'all, so today we're finna be reviewing a shoe company called Nicekicksshop.review04. I do like that the shipment of these shoes did not take long. It took a week and a half at least. But for some reason, when they was in Chicago, they was acting like they didn't want to ship. Was y'all trying to steal my shoes, bitch? What? Well, I wanted to give y'all a little rundown, a little 360 of what the shoe looks like outside the box. I do like the shoe, y'all. Don't lie. Y'all know, Teen Titans. Y'all remember Starfire's sister, her evil sister? This is the vibe this give me. Or maybe like a Raven. Do y'all see what I'm trying to say? The shoes do look good. It did come with a StockX tag in the box, so that tee. Y'all, I really would wear these. These are not ugly. These are kind of like a cute little pick I found out. But I do like the shoe. Let's see the authenticity of them. Y'all know when I get shoes, for some reason, I like to see if they're hard. Because y'all know how replicas be like. Because there's some replicas that actually give rep. Like, they actually give, like, you could bold them, fake them, tongue be foldy as fuck, like, ugly as fuck. But these are decent. For some dunks, these are decent. I'm not going to lie. These are very sturdy, too. So I would definitely get these for my dunk lovers. I would definitely go and get these for my dunks. Dunks. And they're from overseas. And another thing, y'all, when y'all do get these shoes from these shoe companies, y'all be asking me questions like, how do you order? It don't say check out, how do you order? I'm confused. You have to direct message them. When you direct message them, a customer service line is going to DM you back and get you started with everything, I promise. I wanted to also show y'all the details from my back camera. Y'all, this iPhone 14 is really doing a bitch justice. I'm not going to lie. I really did want y'all to see this shoe because it is cute. This seller did send me a cute-ass shoe. I will be real. I will be real. I mean, damn, that was a tongue twister. Y'all, I would get these. These Dunks Low are kind of cute. They got another pair like this I had got, but they're like blue and black. I gotta stop getting shoes with black in. I got hella shoes with black in. But y'all, do me a favor and do y'all big one. Follow their TikTok page. Follow their Instagram. Go look in their bio. Direct message them. And when you do, please let them know that JC sent you. Mwah. Like, be fair. Get your money's worth.